Hey, what's up and welcome to Chroma Key project. How to remove green color or blue color from the background. Let's start. Here I have a sample. Double click and play. How to remove this green background and put in the background this background particles motion. Let's do it. First, put because this video is quality not HD. I want to keep exiting, and then select woman. No, select another video of a studio down here, and right click on the background track. Set or scale to frame size and come here, select this video track, go to effect control or right click, scale to frame size, then go to effects. Let's go to effects. There is the effect window and click right here, Ultra key. Use Ultra key on Chroma video, then select again, go to effect control, find Ultra key effect and click on eyedropper, click on green screen. So let's turn on or change output to alpha channel. There is little bit problem. Right to crop effect and use crop effect on video. There is crop effect, left and right. So go back to Ultra key and matte generation, control by transparency, control by highlight, change to 0, control the shadow. There's no shadow in Chroma key video. Change back to composite. And now let's play. Okay guys, don't forget, green screen is for indoor and blue screen is for outdoor, which is using for visual effects and for cinema, VFX movies. Thank you for watching. Have a good time.